we shall learn a problem solving technique called differential diagnosis, which helps you solve the problem rapidly and accurately. Let's take an actual problem. Okay, this is about assembly of ball pens, and we have Inda here and we have Nikita here who are going to do the assembly of ball pens, and Gunja here is going to be the quality inspector.
Let's start for the day.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Hey, have you heard about that sale that's going on in Zara?
Oh, don't tell me, really?
Yeah, they have an amazing collection.
Oh, wow. I'm just gonna go there. Hey, yeah, I want to watch Dear Zindagi, yaar. I'm a huge Shah Rukh's fan.
Ah, it's shot in Goa, yaar. What else do you need?
Oh man, Goa is in heaven. You plan to go to Goa?
This is what happens when the work is very boring. Though they are continuing to work, a lot of chit chat happens. No great harm.
I really want to go to Goa, yeah.
I've been staying there for 3 years, you know.
Oh, yeah. How was it? How was the life at Goa there?
I didn't want to come back. But we have to do something, right, to earn a living.
Yeah. I wish we could earn a living in Goa itself.
She's here to check. Oh, okay.
Hi, how's the work going?
Hello, ma'am.
Going
It's
great, ma'am.
Oh, continue working.
Yes, ma'am.
The fitting looks nice. Great job, girls.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. She's checking on the time.
I don't know.
Like we don't know to do our jobs. She's sweet, you know. She gave me leave the other day when I
Really?
really needed it. She's nice.
Yeah, she is.
She can get a little bossy at times, but then she's
At
nice.
times. Chal, yeah. Now it's end of the day and I'm done with this job.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Chalo.
chalo, let's go. Just finish this up.
Oh, you ladies are going already?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
We completed our work.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
This pen is also not working. What should I do now? 4 rejects already. I think it's time to call a meeting. Thank you for coming to this meeting. The problem is that these pens are not writing. What is going wrong?
Maybe the vendor has given you faulty refills.
But these refills were checked before the assembly process started. I think the AC is drying up the refills. What do you think about it?
Maybe the storage is a problem.
Are you giving the specifications to the workers before giving them work? Yes, the specifications were given. I don't know what the problem is there.
Hey, listen, ladies. What's happening is you are discussing possible causes. Will the air conditioner have an effect? Is it that the refills were defective before? And so on. Do you know that there was a research done many years back which showed that effective problem solvers do not start with causes. That's what the whole world does. But that's the bad way of solving problems. We are looking at an effective way today where we will start by observing the process.
So what to observe and how to observe?
Okay, the way you observe is by using a set of questions. The team is now coming in to observe. So let us see what they come up with, how good their observations are, and whether they follow the systematic technique that we outline.
Sir, we have made the observations. Should I tell you now?
tell me in the format that is presented here. This is the differential diagnosis format. So please answer only the questions that I ask. If you don't know, we will observe afresh. First question is, what is present with the pen which is a defect? What defect is present?
The defect is that the pen is not writing.
Alright. Is there anything else wrong with it?
No, there is no other defect.
Okay, so let's enter that. Our item is the pen, right? So let us ask where on the pen is the defect present and where on the pen is the defect absent. So let me ask you some questions, Gunja. Which part of the pen is the defect present?
They are present on the refill. They are present on the refill.
Okay. And what about the cap, body, etc.?
No, they are absent over there. They are absent on the body, the cap, and the front screw and the back screw.
Okay, that's one question on there, but there are 4 questions. The second question is, on which variety of the item, that is on which variety of the pen are you getting defects and on which variety are you not getting defects?
So we only have blue pens.
Are you making a black or a red pen?
No.
No, we are not making. We're making only blue pens.
Oh, so we don't have data on this question. Let's go to the third question. After which operation is the defect happening? And after which operation is it not happening?
So when we receive the refills, they are working.
Okay. After you do the assembly?
After the assembly, the pens are not working.
Alright. So the defect is somewhere during the assembly. Good. Now then the last question is, which machine or which operator, we have 2 operators here, are both of them giving defects or one of them or sometimes this one, sometimes that one and so on.
For this, let's check out their outputs.
Okay, great. So would you please check Nikita and Inda?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
My pens are working.
My pens don't seem to work.
Try again.
I'll
Another
try
one?
another one. The refills I had checked before assembling, so they were working fine.
My pens are working.
This one isn't.
Whoa! So we have got some very useful information, and that is we have one operator where the defect is not happening and one operator where the defect is happening. Can you see your smile? So what do we need to do?
I think we need to observe first
Alright.
what is exactly happening when Inda is assembling the pens.
Good. And we will compare it with Nikita assembling the pens. So would you please both work? Let us observe. Please observe closely. Let's observe closely what Nikita and Inda are doing. Can you see any difference? Anything noticeable? Nikita is holding the pen sky high. And I wonder what Inda is doing. Let's see again, second pen. Just observe. Nikita's pen sky high and Inda's pen is on the table. Could it be that this difference is significant? Let's see. The pen that you have just assembled, Inda, just see whether it works.
It isn't.
No, not
It's
working.
not working.
Nikita, the one you just assembled.
It's working.
Wow, great. So maybe we have got the root cause. What do you think? Yeah? How do you check it out?
Can I try not touching the desk?
Okay, let's see.
Okay. Alright. I hope this works. I don't want to lose my job, you know.
I hope you don't.
And it is assembled. So, fingers crossed.
Yes.
It works!
Yay!
So now we seem to have the root cause in hand as to what is causing the defect. We are able to remove the defect, yeah? But for real verification, we should create the defect also. Can you help us, Nikita?
Yes, sir. What I'll do is I'll touch these refills on the ground and let's see whether it works or not. Here I take the body. I take the front screw. Now I take the refill and I put it down on the floor. Now I put the back screw. Now let's see whether this is working or not. And this one is not working. Yay! So now we found the cause.
Excellent. Very good. We have been able to create a defect and we have been able to remove a defect. Now that the quality inspector has put the data in our format, the data clearly showed that there is one operator where there is a problem and there is one operator with no problem. Okay? The moment you get no problem, you have an answer. And God always sends you some operator or some machine, something or the other, with no problem. What we did, we just compared. And when we compared, we found a difference. We found that the operator making the defect is putting the refill and allowing in such a way that it bangs on the table. And we could prove that the defect stops if you don't bang it on the table, and the defect starts if you bang it on the table. Prove. Why it should be so? Yes, now we can call the technical expert dealing with ink, ball pens, balls and so on, who will explain the science behind what happens if you bang the ball on the table. To congratulate you all for having used this technique of differential diagnosis and successfully come up with a diagnosis rapidly and correctly. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.